Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this error. Connecting to Ultimate Team is not possible at the moment. You will now be returned to the main menu. The steps are really easy, so I'm just going to give you a step-by-step instruction on how to fix this one. So first you can try restarting your game. If the problem persists, move on to step 2, which is um, power off your gaming console or PC and then turn that back on. If that resolves the issue, then it's good. But if it doesn't, I do have some few steps right here. So step 3, you just need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is good. And number 4, power cycle modem and router. Turn them off, wait for a minute, and then turn them back on. This might help in resolving any connectivity issues. Step 5, update game and console. Make sure your game and console have the latest updates installed. Outdated versions can sometimes cause connectivity problems. Keep everything up to date. And lastly, in Ultimate Team, check if you have specific player items like Ada Hedgerberg in your squad. Some users have reported that removing her from the starting 11 might help. So these are the steps that you can follow, guys. That's how easy it is. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helped you.